Music has a way of touching our souls and evoking emotions like nothing else can. Whether you're a seasoned guitarist or just starting out, fingerpicking is a technique that adds depth and beauty to your playing. It allows you to create intricate melodies, harmonies, and rhythms all at once. In this article, we will explore 10 essential fingerpicking patterns that will enhance your skills across various genres such as folk, blues, and modern songs. The basic alternating bass pattern. The alternating bass pattern is the foundation of fingerstyle guitar playing. It involves plucking the low E string with your thumb while simultaneously picking the melody notes with your fingers on higher strings. This pattern creates a rhythmic pulse that drives the song forward. Travis picking. Named after Merle Travis, this iconic fingerpicking style is widely used in country music but also finds its place in folk and blues genres. With Travis picking, your thumb plays an alternating bass line while your fingers pick out melody notes on higher strings simultaneously. Carter family style. The Carter family's unique approach to fingerpicking revolutionized folk music in the early 20th century. Their style involved using simple chord shapes accompanied by melodic lines played on open strings between chord changes. Piedmont blues fingerpicking. Originating from African American communities in the southeastern United States during the early 20th century, Piedmont blues fingerpicking combines syncopated rhythms with complex melodic patterns played primarily with the thumb and index finger. Classical-inspired arpeggios. If you want to add a touch of elegance to your fingerstyle playing or delve into classical guitar repertoire adaptations for contemporary songs, arpeggios are what you need. By plucking individual notes in a chord one after the other, you create a flowing and melodic sound. Flamenco rasgueado. Flamenco music is known for its passionate and fiery nature, and the rasgueado technique captures this essence perfectly. By rapidly strumming or flicking your fingers across the strings, you can achieve an intense percussive effect that adds flair to any song. Percussive fingerstyle. For those seeking a more rhythmic approach to fingerpicking, incorporating percussive elements into your playing can elevate your performance. Techniques like tapping on the body of the guitar or slapping strings with your palm create unique sounds that mimic drums or percussion instruments. Hybrid picking. Hybrid picking combines fingerpicking with traditional flat pick techniques, allowing you to seamlessly switch between strumming chords and picking individual notes with precision. This versatile style is commonly used in modern songs across various genres. Chord melody playing. Chord melody playing involves integrating melody lines within chord voicings to create lush harmonies while maintaining the song's melody at center stage. This technique allows you to play both rhythm and lead parts simultaneously, making it ideal for solo performances. Fingerstyle slap bass. If you're looking to add some funkiness to your fingerpicking repertoire, incorporating slap bass techniques can do wonders. By using your thumb to slap and pop the bass strings while plucking higher notes with your fingers, you'll achieve a groovy sound reminiscent of bass guitar playing. Conclusion. Fingerpicking is an art form that opens up endless possibilities for expressing yourself through music. Whether you're drawn towards folk melodies, bluesy rhythms, or contemporary tunes, mastering these 10 essential patterns will enhance your guitar playing skills across various genres. By learning these patterns and experimenting with different styles of fingerpicking, you'll be able to bring out the soulful nuances and emotions in every song you play. So pick up your guitar, explore new techniques, and let your fingers create magic on the strings. With practice and dedication, you'll soon discover the joy of fingerpicking and unlock a whole new world of musical possibilities.